Have you ever wondered what makes spirulina a superfood? Spirulina has been gaining a lot of attention in health circles lately, and for good reason. It's considered a nutrient-dense supplement, packed with an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Spirulina is a type of blue-green algae that grows in freshwater lakes and rivers. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine, particularly in Africa and Asia, where it's valued for its nutritional and medicinal properties. The ancient Aztecs and Incas also used spirulina as a source of protein and energy. Spirulina is an incredible source of protein, containing up to 70% protein per serving, which is significantly higher than most plant-based protein sources. It's also rich in vitamins, including vitamin B12, vitamin E, and vitamin K, as well as minerals like iron, calcium, and potassium. Additionally, spirulina is packed with antioxidants, including phycocyanin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. These antioxidants help protect the body against free radicals, which can cause cell damage and contribute to chronic diseases. The high protein content in spirulina makes it an excellent supplement for vegetarians and vegans who may struggle to get enough protein in their diets. Spirulina's rich vitamin and mineral profile also makes it an excellent way to boost energy levels and support immune function. Furthermore, spirulina's antioxidant properties have been shown to have anti-aging effects and may even help reduce the risk of certain diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. Spirulina has also been found to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation and improve symptoms of conditions like arthritis. So, how can spirulina impact your overall health? For one, it can help boost your energy levels, making it an excellent supplement for athletes or individuals with active lifestyles. Spirulina's immune-boosting properties can also help reduce the risk of illness and infection. Additionally, spirulina may even aid in weight management by reducing appetite and increasing feelings of fullness. Some studies have also suggested that spirulina may help lower cholesterol levels and improve blood sugar control. According to nutritionists and health experts, incorporating spirulina into your diet can have a significant impact on your overall health. Many experts recommend adding spirulina to your daily routine as a way to boost energy, support immune function, and even support weight loss. In conclusion, spirulina is an incredible superfood that offers a wide range of health benefits. From its high protein content to its rich vitamin and mineral profile, spirulina is an excellent supplement for anyone looking to boost their overall health. We'd love to hear about your experiences with spirulina. Have you tried it before? What benefits have you noticed? Let us know in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about superfoods, be sure to check out our next video on the benefits of chia seeds.